This weather warning came from the National Weather Service, but it was delivered through a mesh network. No one manually typed it, and the phone didn't need internet connection. This is MeshWX. It monitors official weather alerts, shortens them for LoRa, and sends them over Meshtastic, MeshCore, or both. I built it after Hurricane Helene showed how quickly normal communications can go down in a disaster. Today, MeshWX is publicly available, free, and open source. Let me show you exactly how it works. Meshtastic and MeshCore can keep local communications going even when the cellular network is overloaded or even down. But the mesh network itself doesn't automatically know when the National Weather Service issues a tornado warning, flood warning, or any other alerts. People may still be able to communicate with one another, but unless someone receives that alert in another location and posts it to the mesh network, people in that area will not get the message. That's the problem MeshWX solves. MeshWX runs on one computer. This could be a Windows, Linux, in a Docker, or even a Raspberry Pi. It monitors official National Weather Service alerts for the selected counties. When a matching alert is issued, MeshWX filters it, shortens it, so it can be sent over LoRa. The computer then sends that message through one or both of the connected Meshtastic or MeshCore devices. MeshWX can operate with either Meshtastic, MeshCore, or both at the same time. You would just need 2 radios, one for each. Those radios put the warnings onto the local mesh, spreading through the network like any other message. Every person on the network does not install MeshWX. It runs in one location, sends it out onto the mesh network to where anyone in range will receive those warnings on their phone, even without internet connection. I originally built MeshWX for county emergency management officials in mind, but it also could be used with community mesh networks, neighborhoods, or anyone running a local mesh network. MeshWX is a supplemental warning system. It's not designed to replace NOAA weather radio or the traditional alerts. But it does come in handy in a situation where those are down in a time of disaster and you need to get the message out to the people in your county. MeshWX is available now, and it's free, open source, and self-hosted. You do not have to create an account. You do not have to pay a subscription fee. You could find MeshWX at brokensignal.tv/MeshWX. It's also on GitHub. If your county or local mesh could use this, send them this video.